Hey guys, this is Julian from the Binary Lab. Just want to give you guys a quick walkthrough about market behaviors. As I mentioned previously, trend lines is a very great way to look at the rebounds. I'm going to clear up this chart to redraw this again so that you guys have a good idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, so depending on the time frame in the chart you're looking at, this is the M30 and this will be the M1, basically showing the same thing. And what we can see here, as if you looked at my previous free training videos regarding charting and using moving average lines to project market bouncing points. So what I often do is this: I would draw I have more details on this in my free training video. Go check it out on my YouTube channel. And what you will notice is that every time it comes onto a what do you call that? When a candlestick touches the line, it will rebound. So this is a rebound. This is a rebound, and this is a rebound. Okay, now what I mentioned previously in my recent videos is also that when you're trading, you want to be able to set your expiry time to be able to capture the biggest part of the movement. So, and let's say when we are going counter trend, okay, there are two ways to trade this. One way is obviously counter trend, and the other way would to be with the trend. Okay, with the trend, you could be basically going with the trend for this entire part. Okay, this entire part. Basically all these ones over here. That's against the trend, with the trend, and then against the trend, and with the trend. So what we call these here, these are basically known as pullbacks. Okay, this is a pullback. This one here is also known as a pullback. And this one here could possibly be a reversal. We don't know yet. But if it breaks the moving averages one by one, it can be a reversal. So a reversal is classified as something that makes more than 100% of the previous swing. So this was the previous swing, and we're looking to go for, if it does more than this amount of 132,380, that is a reversal. Up to then, it could possibly be a retracement. And how far can it possibly retrace? It can retrace as much as 68.1% and still retain the same direction. Okay, it still retain the same direction as long as it goes up to 61.8. So I'm going to change the color of this one. So this is the boundary for retracement. There you go. Boundary for retracement 61.8. So over here, it might not even get there. It might get to just 50%. It might get to 61.8%. It might get to 38.2. It might get to 23.6. But as long as the candles don't stop exactly there, it's going to keep going to the next level, next level, next level. Anything beyond the 78.6 is definitely going to go all the way for the whole deal right up to here. Okay, so now I want to help you make sense of this stuff, and I want to help you make sense of this by sharing you this piece of information. Okay, right? I mentioned when it comes to taking reversal times. By the way, this is another free training in itself. When it comes to taking reversal times, you want to capture the biggest part of the movement. So in those cases, yes, this one over here, if you're trading in a much smaller time frame, you'll be able to catch this retrace. In fact, we did so on the webinar. And then, however, on our recent webinar, we didn't manage to catch this retrace because gave this one too much time. Okay, this one was given too much time, and what we did instead was that because the trade was going so flat, use a sell option. Like for me, I use 24 options, which has like sell features. Once you place a trade, you can sell it within like 5 minutes later. You can sell, and if it's not moving, I sell. And then, but if it's moving it usually should move very well in the beginning, If it's going so, I don't bother to keep the trade. So if you found this kind of dense and hard to understand, you're most welcome to head over to my website, and that's theBinaryLab.net. And you're most welcome to head over there and sign up for my training group. It's actually free to join, where I give lessons about this all the time on a daily basis. If you thought this was useful, wait till you see the detailed instructions and live Q&As that I run on my sessions every single day. On top of that, if you have any questions about binary options, go ahead and ask them in the comments below, or you may also go to facebook.com/thebinarylab page and send me a message over there, and I'll be able to reply you. So I look forward to seeing you inside the Binary Lab. Membership is actually free to join when you open a broker account through the Binary Lab. So for more details, go to theBinaryLab.net, and if you have any questions, head over here. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video if you found it useful. Goodbye.